What is up, everybody? Average Model Guy, bringing it to you from the Average Model Breezeway tonight. I'm out of the basement. Needed some extra room because I've got, as you can see, five kits here. I decided I was going to jump on board the Armed Forces group build that Modeler's hosting. I got my 5 kits here for 5 branches of service. So I'll go ahead and tell you what we got here. Got our Tallery A864D Apache for the Army, and for our Coast Guard friends, aka the Puddle Pirates. Got our HH-60 Jayhawk rescue helicopter, 1/72 scale. Come down here to our F-16 CN Aggressor. I do have the unboxing video for this, and I am working on it. I'll show you the update on that one. That'll be for our Air Force. Come over here to our Marines. We got the LVTP-7A. So, yep, it's our landing vehicle. This one might turn into a diorama. I've got some stuff that I might use and turn that one into a diorama. And then, of course, save the best for last, U.S. Navy. Got our F-14 Tomcat, Jolly Rogers. Yep, that's a 1/48 scale on that one. Yep, let me go ahead and show you the progress on the F-16 here. There we go. Let's see if I can get that in some better light. Probably not, but anyways, here's what we've gotten so far. Got some of the cockpit done. It's kind of hard to see in there. Try to get a good zoom on it, but yep, got it looking good, weathered up. Got our engine nozzle done. Let's see if I can flip it upside down here. Here's our under. Yep, so yep, that's what I've gotten done on the F-16. Should be wrapping that one up hopefully this week. I think I just need to finish the cockpit and get that one taken care of. And I'm probably going to flip a coin for these on which one I'm going to do next. I might tackle this one, or I might do the F-14. Now I do have, with the F-14, I got a upgrade kit for it. Got this one. It's got for the engine, and then I got the cockpit upgrades. So looking forward to that. Some good PE there, and then I really like these interior decals for the cockpit, so that's going to be pretty sharp. So I don't know, it'll be a toss-up probably between the Navy and the Marines on which one I'm going to do there. Yeah, really looking forward to doing this group build. This one I think goes until December 31st, end of the year, so I got plenty of time to get the group build done on this one. However, I am running out of time for the freeze frame model show that's coming up here in March, so I got to get busy. This is the only one I've gotten done so far for that. It's been super busy. Life happens, you know how it goes. But yep, I'm going to be probably putting up some progress videos of all these here. So yeah, thanks for sticking around, guys. I appreciate it. And gotten some new subscribers here past couple months that I've been away. Appreciate it. So yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.